Welcome. My name is Mateo, and we are the storytellers of Plaza de la Familia. We are happy to see you here today as we celebrate the heartwarming story of Coco. In this wonderful story, a 12-year-old boy named Miguel sets off on an extraordinary adventure to the land of the dead, where he unlocks an age-old family mystery. Miguel's journey begins in Mexico, where he lives in a small town of Santa Cecilia, with a very big family. And he shares a special bond with his great-grandmother, Coco. The Rivera family are proud shoemakers. A tradition started by Coco's mother, when her husband left home to become a famous musician and never returned. Since that fateful day, music has been banned in the Rivera household. No music. Now, Miguel loves his family. He respects tradition, but deep in his heart, he has a secret. He doesn't dream of making shoes. No, Miguel dreams of singing and playing the guitar. Just like us, his passion is music. And this song Miguel sings tells the whole world exactly how he feels. Señoras y señores, buenas tardes, buenas noches, buenas tardes, buenas noches, señoritas y señores. Vinieron a Dios tonight, brings me joy, qué alegría. For this music is my language, and the world es una mía. And this music is my language, and the world es una mía. For this music is my language, and the world es una mía. Vamos, oh! Ahora sí! Fantastical journey where he meets a charming priester named Echo, who helps him find the courage to fulfill his musical destiny. Oh wait, you can do it! Yes, with some encouragement, but perhaps competitive. Again, seizes the moment! Go on. I know you can do it.
で